Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart gift card at self-checkout. First, gather all your items and proceed to an available self-checkout station. Begin by scanning each of your purchases. Once all your items are scanned, the screen will prompt you to select a payment method. Choose the Pay Now or Checkout option to move to the next step. After scanning your items, the self-checkout screen will display various payment options. Look for the button labeled Gift Card or sometimes Other Payment Methods. Tap this option to indicate you're paying with a gift card. This action prepares the system for you to input your gift card details, so have your card ready and accessible for the next step in your transaction. Now, locate the card reader on the self-checkout machine. Gently swipe the magnetic strip of your Walmart gift card through the reader. If your card has a barcode, the machine might prompt you to scan it instead. For many gift cards, you'll also need to enter a 4-digit PIN, usually found on the back of the card under a scratch-off area. Once your gift card is processed, the screen will display the applied amount and any remaining balance. If your gift card doesn't cover the full total, you can use another gift card or a different payment method, like a debit or credit card, to complete the transaction. Finally, collect your receipt and your purchased items. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.